Gold and silver consolidated throughout the day yesterday, pretty much stayed in a no trade zone as we discussed in our analysis several times. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. And yes, later in the day, I will release another update like usual, but this time it is going to be before NFP non-farm payrolls data coming from US. Definitely it will bring volatility, and that time we will see which position we are going to take. So do watch that. Also do press the bell icon, do like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. This is a great motivation for me always. Let's start. First gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now see, gold here for almost multiple candles have been staying in range, trading in range here. Neither willing to break on the downside nor willing to go up. 1930, 1940 zone, it appears it is too much in love with this zone, not willing to move either which way. Now if you look at the movement here, you will find, see on the hourly charts, you can see the big bearish drop here, then the retracement, then the drop, retracement, drop, consolidation. So yes, it is still giving lower highs and lower lows. Now one point to note here, that largely on the hourly charts, gold is trading in this channel here and almost stabilizing here at the bottom. So a breakout on the upside might take the price a little higher, and the next resistance zone which gold is going to get first is at around 1954-55, and then at around 63 level, 63-65 zone. So these are the two very strong resistance zone. If it stays above 1940, possibly a little more rise can be expected. Let's have a further detailed look. See, stochastic dropping here. The MACD is trying to retrace a bit, but see the slope here and here are almost, you can say, this is very gradual. This suggests that the bullishness is not there, and you can also see from the movement here, there is hardly any movement. However, the MACD is trying to retrace. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 hour, now on the 2 hour charts also see prices were divergent from the moving average. Now the moving averages have come down till towards 1938 levels. So previously it was 1940 yesterday and it touched 1940 levels. Now the moving average has come down and accordingly getting resistance at around these levels. So a break up beyond 1940 is what I will look forward to. 44, 46 first target, 1950 next, then 54, and then 64, 65 levels can be expected here if it continues to move on the upside. That is the only case. Now see, these are the milestone which it needs to break past by with every resistance if it has to continue with the reversal. Now see, stochastic is almost flat. Now MACD on the 2 hour charts is also crossed over, trading with little divergence. Looking upwards, you can see MACD's cycle here. First wave, second wave, third wave, and see it is bottomed here. Now looking forward to the fourth peak, and possibly this can give you further little more highs, which suggests that 1950-55 levels can be expected here. RSI has dropped. Now coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, now the moving average 20p is sitting at around 1940 and 50 and 100 at around 50-55 zone. Possibility of it to retrace exists. We have to wait for it to give a breakout. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD is now crossing over for a buy entry, and what we have seen on the 2 hour charts is getting reflected here on the 3 hour charts as well. Now see, the red part of this move is done, so the greener part is what we can look forward to, which means a little rise can be expected. RSI is flat, and on the 4 hour charts, if you look on the 4 hour charts, one important aspect here is see multiple candles getting a push on the upside here. Price is not willing to stay bullish. Very clear here. It is getting a downward push here. Every candle you can see tried to rise but then got a push on the downside. And now if you look at, but see one greener candle, I will see where this second red candle closes, and when the third candle tries to rise above 1937-38 levels, possibly this time we can see it hitting 42, 45, in fact 46 levels, and then it can try to pass by 50 also. So yes, with each move we have to just wait for a breakout. That is what we should look forward to. Now on the 4 hour charts, the moving averages 50 and 100 has also crossed over, and this is sitting at around 1950 levels. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and here also first, second, third, and see the red part of this wave is done. The greener part is about to start. I'll wait for this. RSI is almost at bottom, and on the daily charts, if you look now, see on the daily charts, see lower highs are done, and this candle is starting in red. So this could stretch it on the downside. Right now it appears to be trading with a bearish bias. However, I will wait. I will definitely watch out for how it behaves at around 1930 levels, because below 1930 this time lower lows means we are going to look at 1927-25 levels, and if it breaks below 25. Now see why 25 and 1910 are important. You can go to the near past. You will observe that on the daily charts gold is consolidated for almost couple of weeks at around this level, that is 1910 1925. You can see multiple candles getting the support at 1910, and then multiple candles getting the resistance from 1930 levels and closing below 1925. So this zone is very important for gold, because any break below this zone below 1910 is where the bears will take over, and it is going to hit 1870 levels also. This is also very much probable if it stays below 1910 then and then only. Also, if you look at so far till the time it respects 1910 1925 zone, you can say it is forming a bullish flag here, and I will wait for the breakout. If it does, certainly we can expect a sharper bullish move. So this is what we can look forward to. Now if you look at the 20 and 50 period moving average crossed over here, right now they are on the verge of a bearish cross again. So it is not yet crossed over. Today's candle will decide which direction they're gonna cross over. Also, if you look at the daily chart, see the drop here, retracement, drop here, retracement, drop here. So possibility of a retracement exists. How far? 1960-65 zone. Yes, it is going to be a tough resistance for gold to crack. The stochastic is oversold on the daily chart. The daily MACD is also divergent and bearish. It can probably converge. RSI is almost flat. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy at 1940 levels. Expect 44-46 as the first target, then 1951 as the next target, and then 1954. 1951-54 is a great resistance. Beyond that, you can expect 1960 and 65 levels. So I will definitely look forward to, if it stays above 1944-46, more bullish momentum will proceed here, and you can in fact expect it to give a symmetrical candles which might in fact take it till towards 1954 levels. So do trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, I have another offering for you, that is my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on 7th of August. Only couple of seats are left. We have just extended the number of seats based on the heavy demand, and hence you can also reserve your seats now. Also, couple of seats are still vacant. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for silver here. See, first of all, it has created lower lows here, and it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. After this sharp drop, it is trying to trade this in bearish channel. Now we have seen yesterday why 2480 is a great resistance, 2460 is also a great resistance here. 2360, 2380 is a great resistance. Now see, 2360 again is going to remain a great resistance. 2360, 70, 80. Only and only if silver comes out of this zone, that is stays above 2380, you can expect that silver has reversed and we are going to look forward to a bullish move. Now see, moving averages are trading with extreme divergence. The price is converged till towards moving average and again trying to trade bearish here. Stochastic is dropping here. It is touched the bottom. The MACD is still on the retracement mode, and RSI is almost flat. It has come out of the oversold levels. Coming to 2-hour charts. Now on the 2-hour charts, look at the formation of silver. See, first drop. You can see lower lows here, then the retracement. Then sharp drop. You can see, then the retracement. Then you can see lower highs, sharp drop, lower lows. Now almost this suggests that there is a possibility for it to achieve the highs here. How far it can stretch with the rise? Possibility for it to hit this zone till towards 2450 is there, and this is on the 2-hour charts, and hence it can take few sessions for it to rise till there. Now if you look at the also on the 2-hour charts, you will observe right now it is trying to trade in this box here. 2370 also is a good resistance, and 2370 is also 20 period moving average. Hence you can buy at 2370. However, 2380, 24, 2420, 2450, these are the next target levels. If it stays about 2370, possibly little more bullishness may prevail there. At the same time, a sell entry can be taken at 2340 levels. Below 2340 is where the bears will try to take the charge here. Now if you look at stochastic has dropped, looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with little bullishness, and the RSI is trading at bottom. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. The moving average is trading with divergence, trading bearish here. The stochastic has retraced. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. See, the red side of this wave is done. The greener side is about to start. So I'll wait for the crossover, and this time the crossover can bring little bullishness here. You can see the first drop retracement, second drop retrace, third drop, and possibly it could retrace again. RSI oversold here, almost trading at bottom. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts also, the prices are trading with divergence and bearishness. The prices can try to achieve these levels for once, which means 24, 24, 20 levels. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish here trying to converge. RSI is oversold. And coming to the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, previous candle was outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see very little movement here. This candle also started the day on outside Bollinger Bands level. But yes, 2340 one can look forward to. If it breaks below 2340, that is where more bearishness may prevail, and we can look forward to 2320, $23 level. On the upside, yes, you can buy here at 2370. However, 2380 and $24 levels are two very strong resistance level, above which we can see little more bullishness. Now see, moving averages have started to converge. This is a slight bearish sign for silver. I will wait for the crossover to happen. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking down. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy silver at 2370 and sell at 2340 for this 30 cents. Do not take any positions. On the downside, look forward to 23 levels, and if it stays below 23, more bearishness may prevail for 2260, 2210 levels. Trade accordingly. On the upside, you can buy here at 2370, expect 2380 first and very nearest resistance zone. Then possibly it will try to hit 2420 levels. Remember, till 2420 the possibility of a drop always exists, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you before the US session, before the NFP data. Thank you.